These 8 simple shopping hacks will help you save on laundry detergent. 1. Compare the cost per load. On average, you'll pay 32 cents per load for name brand pods, but thankfully the prices go down from there. 2. Switch from pods to liquid to go from 32 cents down to 20 cents per load. These 2 containers of Tide are the exact same price at Walmart, but the liquid will last for 31 more loads. 3. Skip the store brands as they're more expensive than budget brands like Arm & Hammer and Purex. This Walmart detergent is 12 cents a load, but a few feet away you'll find that Purex is only 10 cents a load. 4. Buy the larger bottles and you can take the price down to only 8 cents a load for this Arm & Hammer detergent. How can you get the bigger brands down to the budget prices? 5. Check for digital coupons in the Target, Walgreens, and CVS app, physical coupons in the Sunday newspaper, and printable coupons for Tide and Gain on the P&G Good Everyday website. 6. Stack coupons with rebates from apps like Fetch Rewards and Ibotta, where we found all of these rebates available. 7. Shop store offers like Register Rewards and Extra Bucks at the drugstores, and gift card promotions like this Buy 3 Get $10 at Target. And 8. Download the Crazy Coupon Lady app, where you can find all of the best detergent deals in one place, including the price per load. Download it today and follow us here for more shopping hacks.